In this video, I wanted to show you how to build a single product checkout inside Bricks Builder, and then assign a user role that with the previous lesson where I showed you how to protect pages and content areas on your site. I'm not going to get too much into setting up SureCart and leave a YouTube video about that. After you install the plugin, you're most likely going to want to create a new store and then walk through the prompts. Once you've installed and set up SureCart, then go into the product section. Down here, you'll see add integrations. So you want to click this. We're going to add the WordPress user role here. And then we're going to select this to a subscriber. You don't necessarily have to assign a subscriber. You can use the role of the SureCart customer as well that I showed you in the previous video. You may want to add a download to the product. Make sure it's set to auto fulfill here. Let's get into building the checkout. The last option here above settings is called custom forms. You want to click this. This is your default checkout form. What we want to do is create a new checkout form. From here, we can check the full page design. We can add a product to this while we're at it, since we have this one already created. And then we'll choose create. Here we're in the block editor. So you'll need to come up here and open up the structure here and open up each level here. So here we can reverse the columns just by dragging them. We can also change the background of the columns here. So we'll just clear this so it's transparent. And we can move certain things around as we need. For example, I could move the totals here to the end here. For my address field, I can turn off the billing address. I can change the name of the labels as needed here. So this whole thing works with the block editor options here on the right. I'll go ahead and just delete my logo for now. And then in the first column, I'll go ahead and add an image here. Then I'll export to my media library, add this one in as needed. You can just drag that in to where it belongs. It's really a lot like the way Bricks Builder works, moving and dragging things in your structure. So let's add a couple of more paragraphs in here. Let's add a header here, and then we'll add a paragraph underneath. Put our product name in and description here, and give this title. We'll just call it LMS Builder. The nice thing about SureCart is if you have multiple products, you can build multiple checkouts. We'll go ahead and publish this. We'll go back into WordPress. We'll have a look at this one here that we just built. When SureCart builds a checkout, it gives you a shortcode, which we're going to use inside Bricks Builder. So we'll copy this. Then we can go into our pages and get this checkout page here. We're going to go ahead and edit this with Bricks. So inside the container here, we're going to add the shortcode. We'll click on this and then we'll paste that shortcode in. Then that's going to pull that in. Now, if we wanted to, we could style this container so that the width is either extra large or large. And again, I'm using automatic CSS to speed that process up. So let's save this and have a look at this on the front end. So we've got pretty much everything in there ready to go. If we go back into our custom forms, you can see that this is set to live. So if we want, you could set this to a test mode here. Going back out. So let's just do a test order here, just real quick. And we'll come down. We'll choose the test processor. You see here that it's in test mode. So the purchase and wait a couple of seconds. And then immediately sends me to a dashboard. Here you can see the email that's sent to me. It's got the download in there. Also, there's another test email here coming to the store owner. And that's essentially how you would set up checkout with Bricks Builder.